Welcome back, you guys. It's been a friggin' minute since I've had some KFC, so that's where I went today. All fried chicken's different, but KFC's got its own flavor. They all got their own flavor, really. Got the extra crispy. I got a chicken sandwich here. Mac and cheese, the fries, the biscuit. Yeah, buddy, I'm gonna try this out. Shit is so good. Been a minute since I had this. It's probably last summer that I had one of these chicken sandwiches. Was the last time I had KFC, because there's none like directly around where I live. So I kind of got to travel a little bit further to find one. But shit is fucking fire. Love fried chicken. Delicious as I remember it, man. Could not eat this every week, every day, every month. It's been a good 8 or 9 months since I had some KFC. It's friggin' good. Getting into this chicken sandwich in a minute. And there you have it, guys. Friggin' my review of KFC. Oh shit, they still call it Kentucky Fried Chicken? I don't know if they all do that, but the one I went to did. Check that out. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the bell notification so you know whenever my videos come out. As soon as they come out. And please leave a comment. Tell me whatever you want. Help me build this channel. That'll help with the algorithms. Even a like would do that. I'm just a brand new little YouTube channel. Trying to make it. Alright. Chronic Eats out. Have a great day. Peace.